All right, this will be the trading recap for Wednesday, June 26, 2024. I took a long right here just a few minutes before market open. Nearly got stopped out a few minutes in the open and then caught this rip. Scaled out half my position here, another 25% here, and then the rest of it I sold out individually up in these 29s and 27s. So let's get into the trade. This was actually the same level that I took my win off of yesterday. As you can see on this 5 minute, it has been broken. I'm talking about this level right here. It has been broken a few times, but for the most part, the level has still been respected in between getting broken. So like it breaks, turns resistance, acts as support there, resistance there, support there. Um, Kind of acted as resistance and support again, but I had this level on watch in my pre-market plan based on I wanted to see if this level is tested, what the market would do. And once it bounced here at 907, I then got interested on playing a possible retest. So we'll look at what that retest looked like. Okay, so there's this original bounce right here. Got some volume coming in, then aggressive selling retest it. And when we come down here, bid loads in below, and buying starts to defend this initial area at this 5519 key level. So I get in long there, get some run up before open. Then on open, aggressive selling comes in, and I get this happened to my last two winners. I got a single tick away from my stop loss. The low on this candle was 5518 and my stop was 5517.75. So another tick down and I would have been stopped out for a 3.75 point loss. Um, but that's why it's so important to have a stop loss where your thesis will be invalidated. On a reversal play like this, I'm always going to go 1 point below my swing low, so to speak. So I did a point below here, just in case price were to have a failed break of that level, which is exactly what happened. And then in terms of scaling out, I was looking some basically what I was watching for was a break of this 2-3 level to have a sharp aggressive push up into this 2-8 3-2 level, 5-5-2-8 5-5-3-2. So when this level breaks right here and we get that real aggressive sell off coming out of it and ask loaded in at the 2 6s, and there was a big, this was the ask loaded in, there was a big sell off, and then this level started defending. So at this point in the trade, right about here, I'm starting to get very my confidence is going down in this trade. Volume's kind of lower. We keep rejecting this 2-6 level. I think selling might be coming in. Um, so then when this subsequent break happens of this 2-5 level now, which is now the high of the trade, I'm expecting that same move. I'm expecting a quick, sharp push into here. And when we broke that level, there was not much transaction happening, and I wasn't seeing aggression on the sell side, but I also wasn't seeing aggression on the buy side. So I went ahead and cut half of my position here because I thought the probability of it going out in my favor at this point was a lot lower, and I wanted to protect myself and take some of the profits I had. Then there was a slow push up right after that into my target where I got out the next 70 or 25% of my position right here, which was a little bit premature, and then got out the other two closer to this level, one at 2.7 and one at 2.9. Risk could have, or execution could have definitely been better, getting a better exit on those. But based on what the market was giving me at the time, I think I made the right move cutting half of my position. It's just unfortunate that right after that the market pumped up, and it's like a 4.75 point winner. It should have been at least 7.5 to satisfy 2R. But I think I definitely could have made at least 6.5 points on this with better execution. But it is what it is. Never going to complain about a one and done day. Good thesis, good job holding. Trusted my stop loss, it held. And we got the push up into my target. At this point, I'm kind of watching, based on my plan, I'm watching this zone right here, either to reject the market, and then once broken above, a possible retest of this level to hold. Those are the two things I'm watching. However, I'm not really going to actively watch. I'm probably going to hop off at this point. My broker shuts down at noon today to do some updates, so I don't want to get stuck in any trades that end up wearing me out till that time, and also one and done. So yeah, probably gonna call it here.